Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to use a zoom in and zoom out effect in CapCut to make your videos more dynamic and engaging. Let's jump right in. First, open a CapCut and start a new project or select an existing one. Then add your video clip to the timeline. Then tap the clip to scroll to the bottom menu and select the keyframes, the diamond icon. Then here, move the playhead to where you want the zoom to start and tap the Add Keyframe button. Now move the playhead forward a bit. Use the two fingers to zoom in or zoom out on the preview screen and add another keyframe. The CapCut will automatically animate the zoom between those 2 points. Then here, adjust the timing by sliding the keyframes closer or farther apart. And that's it. You have just created a zoom in and zoom out effects in CapCut. If this video tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell icon for more quick tips. Thanks for watching.